Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Today I've got something groundbreaking to share with you. Ever imagined revolutionizing your internet experience with the power of blockchain? Say hello to Dawn. It's the first decentralized broadband protocol offering multi-gigabit wireless technology on Solana. Now, Dawn is not just another project. It's operated by Andrena Wifi, a company known for pushing the boundaries in internet tech. And guess what? They just raised $18 million through the crypto venture fund Dragonfly. That's huge. So, what makes Dawn stand out? It's completely passive and super easy to install. Literally all you need is the Chrome extension and you're good to go. Yep, just download it and boom, you're connected. No complicated setups, no hassle. And here's the best part, you can use it on your PC or even your phone. Imagine having seamless, decentralized broadband wherever you go. It's a game changer, folks. With Dawn, you're not just using the internet, you're part of a revolution. It's fast, it's reliable, and most importantly, it's decentralized. If you're looking to enhance your crypto investments and tech experience, this is it. So, don't wait. Download the Dawn Chrome extension today and be part of the internet's future. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates in the crypto world. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.